Question 10 says, give the equation of the horizontal asymptote, if any, of the function. So remember, we have basically two things to look for. It's all about looking at the degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator. The horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 0 if the degree of the denominator is greater than the degree of the numerator. So notice how the degree of the denominator is 2 and the degree of the numerator is a 1. So the denominator is bigger than the numerator. So this holds true. The answer is going to be y equals 0. Again, we can also understand this by looking at it from a graphing point of view. And again, I'm going to put these in as without the fraction button. So I'm going to put in parentheses this x plus 3. And I'm going to divide it by, in parentheses, x squared minus 1. So if I look at the table, notice as x gets bigger and bigger and bigger, notice how the top is growing by a little, but the bottom is getting squared. So that makes the bottom grow much quicker. So remember, if you divide by a really, really big number, the answer becomes very, very small. So if you look, your y values are getting tiny. I'm right at 22 already. Notice how it's really getting really, really close to 0. And it just keeps getting closer to 0. If I go the other direction as well, towards negative infinity, notice that the y values again are getting really, really close to 0. So we're kind of picking up on that as well. That's what an asymptote is it's going to be a graph. It's going to be a value that the graph is going to be approaching, but it will actually never touch. So in this case, y equals 0 is going to be what's called the horizontal asymptote in this problem.